What's quaking, people? Character Quick here, coming at you with my reaction to Season 1, Episodes 21 and 22 of Tensei Shitara Sarai Mudataken, or That's How I Got Reincarnated as a Slime. So if you want to support the channel, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell for more otaku and nerd culture content. Last time on Slime, they fought Charybdis, and then it was over. Just like that. Melim just one-shotted him. So that's done, but it did form an alliance, or an alliance more like a non-aggression pact. So not an alliance necessarily, but Rimuru and his nation are now on good terms with, I forget his name, the Demon Lord, the Beast King Demon Lord guy, but he's on good terms with him now. So that's really, really good. And then the next episode, Rimuru decided to go out and finally look for Shizu's students. So he did. He tracked one down, he counterfeited a bunch of manga, won him over, and one thing led to another, and now Rimuru is his teacher. So that's where we left off. Anyway, guys, let's not waste any more time. Let's just jump right into this episode.
Kenya Misaki, Ryota Sekiguchi, Gail Gibson.
Is no one going to say anything?
Rondo, Chloe Aber. Come on, kids. When I call your name, you need to say here. Got it? It's about time I call in a friend of mine.
Ranga?
Kenya Misaki, here. Ryota Sekiguchi. Gail Gibson, here. Alice Rondo, here. Chloe Aber, here. Good job. Now we're talking.
That's hilarious. Ranga, chill.
Hey! Calling it that monster like a Thanos is dirty!
My name is Ranga. Don't forget that, child.
Okay, get it! My name is Rimuru, and starting today, I'm your new insanely awesome teacher. Also, I'm probably not as patient as Shizu, so keep that in mind. Oh my! So quiet! Yes, sir! Looks like gaining their trust
Is Ranga, can't Ranga get smaller? I guess it's not as intimidating.
Not
He's
that I
smaller.
can blame them. They were summoned to this world and then tossed aside like garbage.
Oh.
Pop quiz time! Doesn't that sound like a blast? No?
No.
Since when did tests become fun?
Exactly.
I hate them.
You can't give us a quiz on the first day.
Yeah, it's against the rules. Calm down before you hurt yourselves.
Is it their first day or is it just his first day?
It's honestly something you kids need right now. Everyone knows we're gonna kick the bucket. So why should we have to study? It's just a huge waste of time.
He's got a point, and the other teachers always let us do whatever we want to.
Exactly. We haven't had to study since we got here.
I just wanna read my book.
Don't give them any mind because they're just going to be...
Bossy jerk face! You guys have a lot of fair points. But
What I was saying, don't pay them any mind because they're not going to last, so why give them any attention, right? Rimuru's going to be a good thing for these kids.
And it's designed to let you get your frustrations out. We are going to have one-on-one mock battles.
Wow, okay.
You've got 10 minutes.
This is safe.
If you can take me out in that time, I'll declare you the winner. Oh yeah, this'll be easy.
This is going to be funny.
All I do is read my book.
Oh, I like her.
All right, who wants to go first? I'll take you on. I'm hoping this fight will burn off some of that excess magic heal energy. If we get rid of it now, maybe it'll save their lives. Don't lose! You move pretty fast, but not fast enough.
There we go. Uncontrollable fire.
Man, are those flames made out of lame sauce? The kid's got a lot of energy, but the weak fire show is a massive waste of it. Instead of throwing fire, try striking me with some of that raw energy. Shut up! These are the same moves that Miss Shizu used! Eat fire!
Time's up, kid.
Stop! The time is up! You better get used to calling me Teach now. You'll regret this!
Wow.
Guess it's Chloe.
Chloe,
Put your book down, girl.
Okay, yeah, please be careful. This girl seems familiar somehow. Like I've seen her before.
Probably in that crystal ball.
Is she gonna chuck a book at me? Flow of water. Please ensnare my enemy. Go, water change.
Ooh, okay.
This is legit. I wonder if she's a prodigy. So you know, I can also make blades come out of the water that's around you. Admit defeat and I'll be happy to withdraw them. But if you refuse me, you'll die.
Oh, wow. I like her a lot.
Your magic is top notch. It's a real shame
Dude. He just walked right through it.
Extra skill magic manipulation makes escaping that jail a cinch. You're pretty good with that water magic. You should definitely keep studying it.
Oh, that was really sweet, actually. Are they all gonna cry when they lose? What was
Don't
that?
hold it against me if I kill you, okay?
Magic bullets, and they look strong.
Nope. Hey, what gives, man? You cheated.
As long as you win the fight, anything goes.
They're all gonna cry when they
Who's
lose.
next? He seems a little more timid.
Oh my god!
Body enhancement?
I like it.
Or is that the berserker skill?
That's cool. I like him.
Looks like it's my turn, so prepare to suffer. Go! Okay, guys, attack!
Dolls?
Take that jerk out! She's a golem master? If she can fight this well using stuffed animals, imagine what she can do
Well,
with
is this well?
special alloys as her weapons instead. Maybe I should incinerate the things.
Notice the probability that this girl, Alice Rondo, would cry is 100%.
Yeah, maybe not.
Stop! The time is up!
Doesn't look like the magic you'll count in their bodies has been reduced at all. Can I separate them from the energy using degenerate?
Answer: the energy has fused with their souls and therefore cannot be separated from them.
How convenient.
Sucks. I don't know how much time they have left, so I'll have to look for another way. As the 5 of you have just witnessed, I am swole. I'm gonna make you a promise. I will save all of you. I swear it on this mask. Is that Miss Shizu's? It sure is. When Shizu entrusted this to me, I think she was also entrusting me with all of you. Fine, you win. I've decided to trust you now.
Yeah, I'm gonna trust you too.
I like that she didn't just whip she. I keep calling him a she. I like that he didn't just whip the mask out like from the beginning. I like that.
You too. Didn't Shizu say she was around the same age as these kids when she was summoned to this world? She said that Demon Lord Leon made the spirit of E3 possess her. Could that be it?
Why she lasted so long? That was my question too.
You're the best! Thanks, Teach! They called me Teach! I'm so happy! From now on,
This is
you
wholesome.
guys are my students!
Lord Reamer, what brings you here?
Do you know where I can find some superior spirits?
You could always try a place called the Dwelling of Spirits, which is ruled over by the Queen of Spirits.
Yeah, that sounds like a good place to start.
I'm looking for.
There are several entrances to that domain, but I'm afraid that the only one I know of has long since vanished. The Queen of Spirits, who we once served, has passed away, and I have no connection to the current queen. I don't know where she resides.
Got it. It's been a month since I became a teacher. I've spent that time trying to figure out where the superior spirits live, but I've yet to find anything useful.
Uh-oh, what is it?
The air pressure changed.
Notice high-density energy has been detected. This is due in part to a sky dragon.
A sky dragon?
I can't just let it run free. I mean, somebody could get hurt.
Are the
right?
kids gonna see him actually
Contact.
like
You stay behind and
go
protect
all
the
out?
Kids, okay? I'll be back in a jiffy. Hold on, Teach. Hang on to this for me.
Oh, I don't know why that got to me so much.
Wait, he can fly? Awesome.
Oh my god, he's flapping his wings.
I should probably disguise myself a bit. There, that's better.
Ooh, that's creepy looking. Yeah, that's not doing anything. Oh, death? Ooh. I think it's powerful.
Damn, is this the end of my handsome existence?
What? Who says that? Well, there we go.
Whoa, did you see that?
Sheesh, compared to Charybdis, this is easy.
Dude, this is badass. You just eat that dragon? They're like, what? What just happened?
A dinner invite?
From a man named Muirmeyer. He's a rather wealthy merchant, and he would like you to see the store he runs.
But why me?
Oh, something about a mysterious warrior saving his life today. He
Okay.
defeated a sky dragon. Does that sound familiar?
Maybe it does, maybe it doesn't. Is he trustworthy?
Well, he's earned the official merchant certification issued by the Kingdom of Gloomend in the Free Union. And he might have a side gig as a loan shark outside of the public eye. But I ran a background check and he is clean, so I guess he's trustworthy.
Delicious! So, how do you like the wine?
Nice. I approve.
I knew that you would.
Are you sure you don't mind feeding my students too?
Of course not. It's my pleasure. I do owe you my life, after all.
Why, whatever do you mean?
Let's just say that I have a pretty extensive network for gathering information, and even with a different opinion,
Whatever
I
do you
know very
mean?
well that you were the one who saved me earlier today. A nice dinner is a small price to pay when I owe you my life, and I wouldn't dream of offending my savior. So, I don't know about you, but I think this makes us even. Wouldn't you agree, sir?
No.
Sure, why not?
You just said it's a small price to pay when you owe him your life. So you're not even, brother.
For you, though. I assume that you must know who I am, right?
Correct.
So why don't you come to our town?
Wait, are you serious? Your town?
There's a lot of things we'd like to start selling, but we lack the know-how. If we had your help, maybe that could change.
There you
And
go.
then both parties would profit. I mean, both parties would benefit.
Well, come on, profit's part of the reason you do it, of course.
Got a deal. You should come visit again. I'll cut you some extra special deals next time.
Yeah, I'm sure you will.
May the blessing of the Queen of Spirits be upon you.
Queen of Spirits, huh? Uh-oh.
Magic spell?
No, it's a prayer. It's something we say back in my homeland. It means the Queen of Spirits who lives in
Rimuru is just lucking into all these situations right now.
Lady, did you just say the dwelling of spirits? Please tell me you know where that is.
I used to live there. Well, more like in the village near there.
In exchange for a generous tip, the lady told me where to go.
Where's all that money going?
The old nature
That shadow didn't look right.
I'm part of a frontier nation called the Republic of Gracia.
Ooh, gracia.
I swear that I'm gonna save these kids.
Hey, all right. All right, that was pretty cool. So Rimuru kind of won the students over, you know, showing how tough he is. And then after he fought all of them is when he finally revealed that he knew Shizu and he had her mask. That was kind of cool. I like that he didn't just, you know, pull the mask out. Hey, look, guys, you should trust me. I like that how he kind of like gauged their strength a little bit and kind of showed them how strong he is. And then when he beat that sky dragon, which was super easy, that was really cool. It was like super easy for him to do. I will say it's a little convenient that he just so happened to save someone who could help them with their merchant endeavors. And then while meeting this person, he just so happened to meet somebody who lives at the place that he so happens to be looking for. It's a lot of convenience. But I like it. It's okay. It's fine. You know, let convenient things happen. It's okay. Anyway, guys, I can't wait to just keep going. So let's not waste any time. Let's jump right into this.
This is probably the entrance. The dwelling of spirits should be just beyond these doors. Are you guys ready for this?
I like her. I really like her. I don't know why.
Hey, if this goes south,
I have a
take
feeling
care
she
of
has a huge crush on Rimuru, though. I have a weird feeling about that.
It's just a straight path.
What gives? I thought this was supposed to be a labyrinth or whatever. It may look straight, but there are traps meant to confuse your sense of direction set all over the place.
What is that?
What are those voices? They're everywhere.
It sounds like they're resonating inside of our minds.
Come on, that's not any fun. Isn't this scary? You should be more afraid. There you go. It's a lot more entertaining if you show your fear.
Who are
Are
you?
you one of the spirits that hangs out here? I need to have words with a superior spirit.
Dude, this is creepy.
Quest. Okay, of course I'll show you.
What's happening?
Oh look, it's an ominous path. I guess we should follow it. It's a dead end. There's no rush, no rush. Behold, small world.
This is creepy.
Well, what do you think?
Is that a mecha? What is that?
Now, it's time for a test. Yeah, that's not a good sign.
What is that thing?
Is the test just beating the tin can? Ding, ding, ding. That's correct.
Just
For
eat it.
real? Talk about easy.
Teach, it'll be fine. He's super swole, remember?
He's super swole.
This is a golem with a body made from magisteel.
Okay, so it's a Magisteel Golem.
Its magic count is off the charts. It's even stronger than that stupid sky dragon. Probably weighs a ton. Ah! What the actual hell? It's trying to
That's not what I thought he was gonna say.
Better be careful. If you let your guard down, you could die. Think you can win? Do you? Do you? Since it's made of metal, Black Thunder is probably out. The electric shock would just run through the ground and fry us. My sword won't do much either. What should I do?
Fire.
Be careful.
Listen, don't you play Pokemon? Steel is weak to fire.
I've got the entire situation on lockdown. If you apologize now, then I'll let you off the hook.
It never works.
I'll be forced to recycle your friend here. You're more than welcome to try. Do it, do it.
Why do I feel like when we actually see the forms of these voices, they're gonna be really unthreatening, unassuming forms?
Arcane thread fetters. What? You tied up my elemental colossus?
Fire.
You better say goodbye to your toy robot. Hell flare!
I knew it. Fire.
Oh, it's incredible.
I mean, I guess it's pretty cool. No way! Just
Ooh.
one hit?
With just one hit. This Rimuru cut. I didn't just say that.
If you don't want to join your tin friend, then you better show yourself.
Oh, I love
know
this.
You're hiding, so just give up already. I'm here, so just hold your stupid fire.
I knew it. It's like a little fairy.
Enough.
Ah.
She's cute. Who
Yeah.
are you? Ta-da! Behold, I'm one of the 10. The poor thing bit her tongue.
Because she usually speaks using
Please say your name is Navi.
Okay.
No, the blue one's Navi.
I'm one of the 10 great demon lords, Ramirez of the Labyrinth, at your service. What now?
What?
Know your place. Grovel at my tiny feet.
That's not a demon lord.
A chop, obviously.
A chop?
No way you can be what you say you are. If you're gonna lie, at least make it believable. I am a demon lord. What else would I be? An idiot? I'm not an idiot. I don't know. My friend Malim is a real demon lord. And when I compare the two of you, you definitely seem weaker.
Yeah, can't you like sense Malim's power as soon as you're in her presence?
The rest of us call Malim the demon lord of absurdity. She just skips around punching anyone who gets in her way. How dare you compare me, a beautiful, delicate flower, to that overly violent
Wait, is she actually a demon lord?
Is it true that you really know Malim? Yeah, we met recently.
They're besties.
Second, could it be that you're that slime monster who became the new leader of the Great Forest of Jura? That's me. I'm impressed you know. You're a slime? Yep. Holy cow, it's true! No way!
How long has he been their teacher and they didn't know he's a slime?
Sorry I didn't tell you guys. Awesome! They're like the strongest slime ever.
Yeah.
It's not that big of a deal.
That little girl's a tsundere, dude. Totally.
That's the thing. How exactly did you hear about me? You know how Malim is, right? She showed up for the
Talkative.
first time in ages, bragging about her bestie for resting.
Dude,
I thought
this
she was
is a
lying.
demon lord.
What's wrong? It's so tasty. Wow.
What is... She's adorable.
It's bigger than she is. Where does she put it? To vaporize my poor elemental colossus. Wow. I spent all that time tinkering with it to get it working, and now it's just gone. That colossus was extra sophisticated.
It died
I used
extra
earth spirits to control
sophisticatedly.
its weight, water spirits to move its joints, fire spirits to generate power, and wind spirits to regulate heat. It was a work of art.
Oh wow, that sounds really cool actually.
Spirit engineering.
Wait, so is this demon lord the new spirit queen?
Is that like the Magisoldier project the dwarves and elves were working on together? Ding, 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 ding. Yes, that's correct. The whole reason that project failed is because they couldn't produce the magic or to act as the unit's heart. There's also the fact that plain old boring steel would never be able to withstand the full power of a spirit.
That makes sense.
After it went berserk and fell
I like her.
Pretty amazing, though. If you agree to help me out, then I can whip up a shiny new golem for you, no problemo. We'll start talking. Those children have it pretty rough, huh? Yep. And so, I was hoping that maybe you could introduce me to the Queen of the Spirits. I see. Guess I should tell you then. I'm the Queen.
See, I knew it. I knew it.
Keep up. I said I'm the Queen. How can a demon lord become the Queen of the Spirits, huh? No! You've got it backwards. Yeah. I was the Queen of the Spirits, but I fell from grace and became a demon lord. That kind of sounds unbelievable.
It's easy, you know, to fall from grace.
Come to think of it, that guy fell from grace too. What guy? Oh, Leon.
I knew it's who she was talking about.
He came here on a mission because he was trying to find some answers. So we called in a superior spirit and shabam, I made a contract. Once he managed that, I had no choice but to recognize him as a hero and grant him protection as the Queen of the Spirits. Because that's all in my job description, you know. You're saying you have to fall from grace to become a demon lord? Yeah, but I could still take that little punk. Easy peasy. One punch, he's out. Yeah, I'm sure. He wanted to summon someone specific from another world. Really? As if that's even possible. What a moron. That's interesting. So, are you planning on taking me to the dwelling of spirits or not?
I'm not just a demon lord. I'm also the guide of saints and the fairy of the labyrinth, as well as the former Queen of Spirits. Just like with Leon, it's my duty to bestow my divine protection upon any traveling heroes I may meet. It's my job. I'm here to maintain the balance of this world. Now come. I will aid you in your summoning. Hopefully you'll call powerful spirits.
Trainee? Wow, it's great to hear those girls are doing so well. They were such cute little spirits back in the day.
Aw.
That's weird. Trainee said that she had no connection with the current Queen of the Spirits.
Ah, of course. Even after dying and being reborn, I retain my memories from my previous life.
To be fair, they probably don't know that, though. You should tell them to come and visit me sometime.
Why do I feel a little ominous overtone here? Like there's something, it's not all peachy like it seems. Is that just me? Am I just negative?
Yes. The deepest part of the labyrinth, the dwelling of spirits.
Feels a lot like Veldora's cave. It's overflowing with natural energy. Will we be able to find spirits here?
Yes, but remember that they have wills of their own. They'll only answer your summons if they feel like it.
Okay, so what happens if they don't show up?
You could always siphon off some of their energy and create a new superior spirit.
What?
You're saying if they won't respond to our summons, we could essentially just make a new spirit altogether? Right. This won't be easy. I'm concerned about their affinities. But what other choice do we have? Plus, we've got my unique skill, Degenerate, which specializes in unification and separation. If Demon Lord Leon can do it, then so can I. Let's go.
This is kind of nerve-wracking,
Yeah,
honestly.
I'm not scared or anything.
Ready when you are.
Kenya, Ryota, Chloe, Alice, and Gale. Game time! Yeah! Shizu, I hope that you can somehow see this. I promise you,
Aw.
I will fulfill your final wish.
All right, that was really, really cool. It was kind of creepy, and I didn't know what to expect, and then it became actually really, really wholesome. So this Queen of Spirits is now a demon lord. It's really interesting because she doesn't seem all that powerful, but we may just have not seen her power unleashed, you know, that could be it. But now Rimuru and the kids are going to try to wrangle in some spirits. This is interesting. I have no idea what to expect. I'm not sure what's going to happen. You know, are they going to have to fight some of these spirits? You know, there's going to be a lot of hostility, animosity. I don't know. I have no idea what to expect. I'm actually really excited for this. I think the next 2 episodes are the last 2 of this season, but there are a bunch of OVAs. So I know I have a couple subscribers that are really, really into slime. So I really appreciate your help in telling me what OVAs and such outside of the main season episodes I should react to. So next week will be the final episode of the season 1 slime reactions. So just make sure you let me know by then what I should be reacting to before season 2. Anyway, guys, if you enjoyed this reaction, like, comment, subscribe if you feel so inclined. Follow me on all social medias, links down in the description below. Join my Discord server coming out, chat with us, at links in the description below as well. Also down in the description and links to my podcast, Nerd Base. You can find that anywhere you can find podcasts. Check it out, give it a follow, let me know what you think. Do you like anime, especially shonen style anime? Well, then you might like the book I'm writing called Gales of Fire. At the time of this recording, the first 11 chapters are up. Check it out, let me know what you think. I'd love to hear some feedback. Until next time, guys, I've been Count Richard Quigg, and I hope you have a